Hello. So today I'm going to talk about varicoceles, which is a male fertility issue, and how to deal with them. Let's start with what a varicocele is. So in a man, the testicles hang outside the body because sperm needed 1 to 2 degrees cooler in order to develop, compared to a man's normal body temperature, which is about 98.6 or a little higher. But the testicles still need a blood flow or blood supply. What happens in a varicocele is that the blood vessels that are running through the testicles get enlarged, and blood is warm, and what it does is it makes the testicles too warm, so it starts to damage the DNA if it's too big and if it's too warm. Now, how do you find a varicocele? Well, that means that you have to go to a urologist and they will do a physical exam to see if you have a varicocele. There's a lot of controversy as to whether or not fixing a varicocele can help improve a man's fertility if he's got a low sperm count or has motility issues. If the varicocele is really, really large, generally the answer is, yep, go ahead and fix it. But if there's only mildly impaired fertility, which would be, if a normal fertility in a man is 40 million sperm, and your guy is dealing with 35 million sperm or 30 million sperm, or maybe even like 28 million sperm, then it might be worth trying some natural changes to help improve it, because having surgery down there is never fun. So how can you treat a varicocele? With supplements? Okay. How specifically, in addition to the temperature, does a varicocele affect sperm quality? And the answer is it decreases something called methylation. Methylation is a really simple biochemical process. Basically, it is the transfer of 4 atoms. So it's 1 carbon atom and 3 hydrogen atoms from one substance to another. When optimal methylation occurs, basically it has a positive impact on sperm creation. How do you improve methylation? Well, in our modern diets, we don't have enough of the foods that have this methyl molecule available for all of the different biochemical activities that we have in the body. And if you've taken my course, my online 90-day fertility reset online, you'll know that if fertility in terms of your health pyramid, your fertility is what gets last, because fertility is a really resource intensive process. So if there's something that we can do to improve the diet so that your body is willing to give resources to fertility, it's a good thing. And one of the ways that you can improve the results, the impact of fertility, or the impact of a varicocele on a male fertility issue, is give your body the food or the supplements that will help improve methylation. And I know that was a long-winded explanation, but for those of you who are interested in those details. So what do we need to do? Like, what is the upshot? Well, basically you need to take supplements or eat things that improve the number of methylated or methylation molecules in your body. And those molecules are generally the B vitamins. So there is, in fact, a really easy way to counteract some of the effects of having a varicocele on fertility. If you're the guy, or if you're the partner of the guy, you just need to get your guy, or you as the guy need to eat more foods that have B vitamins in them, or you need to supplement with B vitamins, zinc, and magnesium. One of the ways that you can get more B vitamins in a natural source? Well, beef liver or chicken liver. A lot of people these days don't eat beef or don't eat livers. It used to be a staple in diets. And if you've read books from like the turn of the century, people would eat beef liver. It's not a popular dish right now. But the reason that fertility rates have fallen, or one of them is that our nutrition has changed so dramatically. So adding in beef liver or adding in chicken liver to your diet is one way to get accessible, easily absorbed B vitamins. There are other sources of B vitamins. You can look up a list of foods that have B vitamins in them online. But yeah, changing what you eat can possibly counteract the effect of the problems that varicocele causes for fertility by counteracting the demethylation that it creates. So what you're doing is remethylating. If you would like to see the article that I'm getting this information from, I've put all the information below in the information. It was called Differential DNA Methylation Pattern and Sperm Quality in Men with Varicocele. It was printed in October 1st, 2020 in the Journal of Fertility and Sterility. And the research was led by Dr. Viviane Santana, PhD. It's actually a fairly easy article to get through, but the upshot is improve your methylation. So if you'd like more information on how to improve male fertility, you can check out my online fertility reset course at fertilityresetonline.com and look at the 90-day fertility reset. Thanks so much for joining me. Hope you find this information helpful.